Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable parental lock in Disney Plus on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Disney Plus applications, and after, if you want to enable the parental lock, you just have to go to your profile first here at the bottom. Just tap on it. After, tap on this help and settings options at the top right. Now go ahead to this parental controls, just tap on it, and we'll find out here the parental lock. Just tap on the toggle beside the options like this to activate, and just create your pin here guys, like this. Now tap on this arrow options at the bottom. To confirm your pin, you just have to enter it again. Now tap on this save and continue. So this is the information that pin set successfully, guys. Tap on done. So if you want to open your profile, you just have to enter the pin that you met before, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.